Yan.
Okay,
Let's
so
start with
can we have candidate number 1?
candidate number
Nicole
1.
Jasmine T. Marco.
Up, dahan lang. Be careful. Yan, dito sa gitna. Yan.
Hi, Nicole.
Hi. Ayan, bubunot ka dito. Bibigay mo kay Teacher Pauline. Okay? Sige, kuha ka ng isa.
Okay, please get one.
Yan, okay.
Okay, and the question for Nicole. One day, you saw some grade school pupils eating candies. They threw the candy wrappers anywhere. What would you have told them?
Lalapitan ko sila at sasabihin kung huwag silang magtatapon kahit saan.
Okay!
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Nicole.
Okay.
Candidate number 1.
Candidate number 1. Huwag silang magtatapon kahit saan.
Okay.
Kasi bawal yun. Alright. Let's call on the next contestant, candidate number 6. Alright. Siyempre, dalawa na lang to, mamimili ka rito. Again, your name is?
Maurice.
Maurice. We can call you Maurice now, okay? Pili ka, bigay kay Teacher Pauline. Yan.
Okay. Uy, pareho sila ng question. Ni Nicole. One day, you saw some grade school pupils eating candies. They threw the candy wrappers anywhere. What would you have told them?
Lalapitan ko po sila para huwag po magtapon sa kahit saan.
Okay.
Alright.
Maraming salamat sa
Thank you
iyo.
very much, Maurice.
Candidate number 6.
Okay. Siyempre, last na to. Hindi na natin kailangan to. Ayan, tabi muna natin.
Okay.
Okay.
May we call on candidate number 9?
Okay, candidate number 9. Your name is?
Angel.
Angel.
Hello, Angel.
You look like an angel talaga.
Okay, this is your question. While in school, you saw your classmates writing on their desks and in the CR. What would you do?
Ang sasabihin ko po sa kanila, buburahin.
Okay. Ano yung buburahin nila, Angel?
Yung sinulat nila.
Okay.
Alright. Thank you very much,
Maraming salamat, Angel.
So, ibig sabihin, kung sino nagsulat, siya magbubura. Alright.
Okay, so candidates, you may now step down.